Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG New State on a 2 GB RAM mobile. To achieve the best performance, you must prioritize optimization. Start by adjusting your in-game settings to the lowest possible options. Additionally, ensure your device has ample free storage and that no other applications are running in the background. These initial steps are fundamental for a smoother gaming experience on limited hardware, making every frame count. To truly optimize your experience, dive into the game settings. Set your graphics quality to low or very low and select a smooth frame rate. This combination significantly reduces the visual processing demands on your phone. Furthermore, disable features like anti-aliasing and shadows, which consume considerable resources. Turning off reflections and bloom effects will also contribute to a much more stable and playable frame rate, even on a 2 GB RAM device. Beyond in-game adjustments, optimizing your device itself is key. Regularly clear your phone's cache to free up temporary system resources. Uninstall any applications you no longer use, as they consume both storage and background processing power. Keeping your operating system updated ensures you benefit from the latest performance enhancements and bug fixes. Also, avoid charging your phone while playing, as this can cause overheating and throttle performance, impacting your gameplay. For the best possible experience, ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection to minimize network lag. Playing in a cool environment also helps prevent your device from overheating, which can severely impact performance. While these optimizations will greatly improve gameplay, it's important to have realistic expectations. Some minor lag might still occur on a device with only 2 GB of RAM. For a truly seamless experience, consider upgrading your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.